time. Thank you.
My message is that you should...
Brussels has urged Spain to reopen its internal EU borders by next Monday, June 15th. Hello, this is Catalan News in 100 seconds, today from outside Teatre in Barcelona, one of the many venues that saw actor Rosa Maria Sardà perform in her long career. Today, the Catalan artist died at 78. The European Commission strongly recommended that Spain and the rest of the member states open their EU borders on Monday. Brussels urged that countries begin to accept visitors from outside the Union on July 1st. Yet Spain plans not to lift their border restrictions at all until the beginning of next month.
Otro de los riesgos al que nos enfrentamos en estos momentos es la importación de casos de diversos países. Entre el 3 y el 9 de junio se han notificado 24 casos importados.
Spain's Supreme Court plans to hold a hearing on President Torra's yellow ribbon case on September 17th. The magistrates will confirm or reject his disqualification from public office. If upheld, he'll be ousted from his post.
Mantenir la llibertat d'expressió i reivindicar el que sigui a través d'una pancarta en el Palau de la Generalitat no pot ser delicte de cap de les maneres.
Lamento que el calendari judicial del senyor Torra marqui també el calendari de la resta dels catalans.
Junts per Catalunya MP Laura Borràs fought accusations of rigging public contracts in Congress. Lawmakers have to decide whether to lift her immunity, and if so, she will be tried in the Supreme Court. Barcelona will not allow access to the beach on Sant Joan, the night of June 23rd, to avoid crowds. Catalonia celebrates Sant Joan with fireworks and bonfires across the country. From cinemas to television to theatres like this one here, Rosa Maria Sardà was a hugely beloved actor for her many varying performances in a career lasting half a century. Today she died at 78, and Catalonia loses an outspoken actor that won 2 Goya Awards and 1 Gaudí of Honor Prize.
Sí.